So we finally made it to Las Vegas to pick up our new project vehicle that I have sitting right out there. What I'm going to do now is just want to do spark plugs. The car was misfiring, so we want to see if that's the cause of the misfires, the bad plugs. So we got plugs right here, and I'm just gonna check all the fluids, make sure that everything is in normal level before we drive it all the way to Salt Lake. That way we can make it there safely. So I guess let me show you the car. So here she is. Two 2001 325i, 325 CI. Body is in pretty good condition. A lot of miles though, but looks like mechanically it's pretty strong. Black on black. And of course, manual transmission. It has this weird big shifter here. Pretty loaded, has cold weather package and this navigation unit, which is pretty nice. But yeah, the mileage is high. No, tabs are broken. Okay. Yeah, almost 250,000 miles on it. A lot of miles. Dusty. It's really cold in Las Vegas. Yeah. Let's see how low the coolant is. Low. A little low. Okay, so I got all spark plugs out. Here's what they look like. Super bad. Burned. Corroded. Not good. Not good. Well, I'm just gonna put a new one and start her up and see how she performs. First cold start after putting new plugs in. Make a comprehensive review on it later.
That's fine, but this is day one, us leaving Vegas.
Day one.
Day one. Got the transporter plate.
Cold start? Want to film it?
Yeah, let's do a cold start on it. We're planning on giving this car away after we're done with it. So make sure that you subscribe. that ugly ass shift knob is gonna come out. Okay, stay tuned.